A friend of mine gave me this music system for adding Bluetooth functionality so that he can enjoy music wirelessly from his smartphone. For that job, we can buy this cheap Bluetooth receiver which can be powered through a normal phone charger, and by connecting the provided cable, we can hear the music. Simple, right? Well, not for me, because my setup uses RCA input. That means I have to buy a new cable to make it work. But it could look pretty messy because of all the wires, so I decided to solder everything inside the case. So, let's begin. First, I opened the back of the player by unscrewing a lot of screws. The first thing I had noticed after opening the back was garbage, a lot of garbage. I told him, he laughed. Let's move on. Inside the cable we can find 3 wires. White is for the left channel, red is for the right channel, and black is ground. On the other side of the RCA input, we can also find 3 pins. Left pin is for the left channel, solder the white wire to it. Middle pin is ground, black wire goes there. Right pin is for the right channel, solder the red wire to it. Now we need 2 wires for powering the phone charger so that it can power our Bluetooth receiver. Use some tape to stick the wires. Make sure it's well stuck and would never come out, because that could lead some problems. Now solder the other end of the wires to the mains cable of the music player. Polarity is not a big issue here, but make sure the power is not connected when you're doing this, because that could be very stupid. After that, we can power up the system, and if everything is right, we can see the blue LED on the Bluetooth receiver. It's blinking, which means currently no phone is connected. We can turn on the Bluetooth on our phone and connect to the Bluetooth receiver. And if the LED is still, that means it's ready for the action. Then I applied some hot glue so there is no chance of short circuit, and put everything inside the case. Then I connected my temporary speakers for the test. Make sure to like this video if you found this video interesting, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.